last video we created the Rico animation character front view of the character, and I promise that in our next tutorial we're going to be doing the side view, because the structure of the side view is apparently different from the structure of the front view we are looking at. So before we get down into that, if you're new on this channel, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you receive notification anytime we drop new tutorial. And for my returning subscribers, you are most welcome. So let's get down into the day of the day. Now we are going to be designing the side view of this Rico character, and firstly we're going to start with the body as we did in our last video, and get down to the hand, legs and the head structure. And if you are yet to watch that, kindly patiently watch our previous video on how you can design this character smartly. It's very simple and easy. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to let's unview this and let's create a new layer. Let's get our brush really quick. Now for the side view of the character, we're going to have a structure to make it simpler. So all you need is to draw a number 6 shape, but the 6 is not going to close. So this is what I'm talking about. Let's take drawing tools. So we're just going to draw something like this, like you're drawing 6, just like this. You get it? So this gives you the back shape and the belly shape. So you have this the back shape, giving you the bone marrow of the character, and I swear this gives you the belly. You get? So all you need to do now is to close up, close up the 6 correctly, just to shape the chest. So as you have it, you have the body of your character. Very easy. Just have it in your brain. Letter 6, then not close up letter 6. Just draw a 6. Don't close it up. Then you cover it up at the edge. So let's position it. Now it's positioned. So next up is our leg. We create a new layer. So basically we're using what? Just a straight line. Just a straight line. Just a straight line. Yes. Then we select our free tool of it. Then you have let me use this so that I can have this properly. So it's just gonna be a circle, not really circle per se, then straight line on the can you see you have your leg well properly drawn. Now you duplicate it. You click on this, you duplicate your leg, then you can actually transform. So you have your character leg. Now next up now is let's draw the hand structure. So we're gonna make the hand curvy, or it's kind of slightly L shape. Yes. So we have the elbow structure. Then we get exactly this how the hand basically is. So now we're done with the body, done with the hand, we're done with the leg. The next thing is the side view of the character's head, and now we're gonna be making use of the other character, which is a round shape. So smartly you can basically go on the Rico channel and take and see where you have the side view of the character and take screenshot of the character's head, then we'll trace it out smartly, no stress. So let's do that, and let's go on Rico page and get one. So guys, we get one. So all we need to do is to import, click on this, but before that create a new layer, click on this camera icon to import. Now we have this to make use of. Click on the extract line, so you can unview this one, and it creates a new layer. So you check the density of your brush. That's very too thick. So reduce it. Create a bit, let's say let's use this 7, make it 8 on layer. So ensure you're in your separate layer, then just trace this bars out. Just trace it out. Very easy and simple to go by. Apparently this is a side view. Any of the character that you need the side view apparently is already done for you. What you need, you don't need to rack your brain, just use reference. Use reference all the time. Use reference is part of animation traits. Using reference is not a scam, it's not laziness, it's part of animation thing. Yeah, so we're gonna trace this out, then we have our character's head without stressing ourselves. And for the nose structure, you see is very simple, and this structure, to make it easier for you, just draw a W, then you have the structure of the nose. If you look at it, you see this the structure of the nose. Simple. This is apparently the structure of the side view nose. Very simple and no stress. Very simple and no stress. And like I said in the other video, the eye structure of Rico Animation is always a big eye. It's always a big eye. always a big eyes. So all you need to basically trace this thing out, then you have it. And anything you as well want to add to make it totally yours, you can do that. You can do that. And as for the hair structure of Rico, all you need to do is just draw out a C, then give it a kind of axe format in between, axe icon in between, and that's it. This is what I'm talking about. You can draw a C, complete C, have the axe. You know what I'm talking about now. Axe, you have it. Is basically hit. So this is the hair structure of Rico Animation. You know, the combination of C letter and the axe structure. That's as simple as that. Simple as that. So where are we? Are we almost done? So left with there. Now you have the side view of your character without stress, just smartly. And now you can add up anything at all you want to add to this character side view head. Now you can view the character's head and body. Then we now restructure. Now let's transform this head so that we have it appropriately where it's supposed to be. So basically we're going to be merging this body and head. All you need to click on the top layer, then click on this icon to merge everything together. Now you have them merged. So next up we click on transform. So to transform it, don't transform it. And now of the neck structure. Now you have your character smooth, set and done for animation. No stress, no issue. Now you have the side view of your Rico character, and as well you have a front view of another species of Rico character. So that's it, guys. So if you find this interesting and if you find this helpful, like the video and comment your thoughts about this tutorial, and we get on with another beautiful and nice tutorial next week in our next video. Until then,
this is HB Toonz Academy, your mobile animation channel. Learn, create and enjoy.